Ever wondered why some cocktails taste so much better than others? Well, the secret lies in the art of balance, temperature, and dilution. Let's delve deep into these three essential components that make a craft cocktail truly exceptional. So component number one is balance. Balance is a cornerstone of a great cocktail. It's all about achieving harmony between sweet, sour, bitter, and salty flavors. For example, a classic margarita balances the sweetness of the agave syrup with the tartness of the lime juice and the bitterness of the tequila. The next time you're making cocktails, I encourage you to experiment with different ratios of the syrups and the citrus to find the perfect balance for yourself. Component number two, the temperature. Temperature plays a crucial role in how a cocktail tastes and feels, and the right temperature can enhance the flavors and aromas and drinkability. For example, a well-chilled martini is crisp and refreshing, and a warm glass of punch can be cozy and inviting. Please note that we always want to use the specific glassware and techniques to maintain that desired temperature. Component number three is dilution. Dilution is the process of adding water to a cocktail to adjust its strength and flavor. I know adding water to a cocktail doesn't sound that exciting, and especially to a guest, they don't want to hear that, but it's essential for achieving the right balance and mouthfeel. For example, when stirring the ingredients for your old fashioned, we're aiming to properly chill, as mentioned before, and dilute to soften the overproof alcohol and enhance the flavors. The fancy, clear, big ice cube that we pour the mixture over is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it also has the purpose of keeping that old-fashioned cold and to maintain the proper dilution while you're sipping on it. That large cube will melt much slower than standard ice from a plain old ice machine. By simply understanding the importance of balance, temperature, and dilution, you can not only create delicious and well-crafted cocktails, but you'll be able to consider these components when batching cocktails for the masses.